Hello, yes. Welcome back to my English class. In the previous presentation, I explained the structural aspect of simple past. Now, here is its usage. Whenever we want to say past action, we have to use this simple past. It's very simple to understand, easy to understand. Any past action or event can be expressed by using this simple past. But the time of that past action or event must be known to us. So the action, the time of the action, the period of the action must be clear to us. Then only we have to use this simple past. Take the use. To express an action, which happened at some time in the past. An action, or you can write event also. An action or an event which happened at some time in the past. So that might have been taken place at some time, anytime, like that yesterday, last year, last week, last month, in so and so year. So the time must be known to us, to this present moment. So any past action, whenever we want to express a past action, simply go to this simple past and use it freely, properly. Remember the structure. Subject, past tense form of verb plus object. I explained it clearly in the previous video. Write, wrote, written. Here you have to use wrote. Give, gave, given. Here you have to use gave. See, saw, seen. Here you have to use saw. Go, went, gone. Here you have to use went. So something like that. You have to use the verb properly. Practice the first. You might have practiced the structure. Then it is easy for you to follow this use. So look here. All the examples are ready for you. I met an old friend of mine yesterday. Simply, I met an old friend of mine yesterday. Here, the time, past time, yesterday. So like that. We sent the mail a week ago. We sent. Send, sent, sent. This is the second form. A week ago. So clearly time is mentioned. They visited Kashmir last year. This action happened last year. So visited. Second form. Last Sunday she gave food packets to some old people. So gave is the verb. And last Sunday is the time referring to past. Last month, same. He paid his college fee. So paid here. Paid is the right form. India won independence in 1947. It's a clear action, past action, 1947, and won. Win, won. Like that, you have to use the right form. Practice it thoroughly, including the use. You can practice here by using the time. In the structural aspect, I did not mention time because the structure is important there. Simply, you have to learn the basic pattern there. Now you can practice by using time also. In 2019, her brother came from UK. Came. Come, came, come. Here the second form. She was absent to my class yesterday. Was absent to my class yesterday. So time, yesterday. So in this manner, by using some time referring to the past, any time, the past, you can use this simple past. So easy. So any past action or event. So express an action which happened at some time in the past. So in this manner, you have to use this simple past. This is for understanding and proper usage. And of course, we have to take examination question. Look, it's also so easy and direct. Easy to recognize in the examination. read this sentence. It's a blank here. I dash an old friend of mine yesterday. So the verb must be meet. So I dash an old friend of mine yesterday. How can you recognize in the examination? It is so easy because the word yesterday referring to past time and any past action or event which with the time must be in simple past only. So meet is the form given first form and the second form is met. I met an old friend of mine yesterday. I had to fill like this. Same is the cases with all the sentences. The verb send should be in brackets. It will be given like this in the examination. We dashed the mail a week ago. So a week ago, week ago, something. So referring to past time. Whenever you find a past time like that, you have to use that particular sentence in simple past only. Remember the structure. Subject is there. Send is the verb and you have to use second form. Sent. We sent the mail a week ago. They dash Kashmir last year and visit is the verb to be given in brackets. So they dash Kashmir last year. Last year referring to first time, use the second form of verb visited. Last Sunday he dash food packets to some old people. So give should be the verb give, first form. Last Sunday she gave the food packets to some old people. Sunday is the day of charity. So many people do that sort of activities. Last month he paid his college fee. So pay, the verb to be given in brackets in the examination. Pay. Last month he dashed his college fee. How can you recognize in the examination last month? The time referring to past. So last month he paid. India won independence in 1947. The verb win. And the past tense form of win is won. In 2019 her brother came from UK. So the verb come. In 2019, it refers to a past action clearly. So, come becomes came. She was absent to my class yesterday. So, the verb be form and principal verb. Be form is as principal verb. I will explain that principal verb and auxiliary verb later. So, be is the verb and its form. Right form is was. Why should we use was only? Why don't we use is? Because am, is, or was were there. So, look at the tense. Yesterday, time is mentioned clearly. When the time is past, you have to use was. Present, you can use is. So, that is the recognition. So, in this way, you have to find the keywords. Observe the keywords before filling the blank in the examination. What are the keywords referring to time here? Yesterday, a week ago, last year, last Sunday, last month, any year, 1947, 2019, yesterday, something like this. So, whenever you find a time referring to past tense, you have to use the simple past in the examination. And for the examination, this point is very important. And even for general usage, this is a very commonly used use and structure. Here is the second use of the simple past. So, in simple present, we have seen that our present habits or habitual actions are expressed in the simple present. Here is the similar usage. In this simple past, by using this simple past, we can express our past habits, our previous habits, habits which existed in the earlier days. See, so to indicate a past habit, they should be in the sense of used to do, This should be in the sense of used to do. So indicate past habit. There were some activities which were done regularly in our earlier life, previous life, some time ago, like that. They were done. They were taken place regularly at some time. Later, they might have been discontinued in our life, in our day-to-day activities. Those activities which were practiced sometime in the past and later discontinued should be expressed in this simple past. And you can use used to do also with the expression used to do. So take the examples. In my school days, we played every evening. Usually children in their school days played. So in my school days, say, referring to past action, played every evening. So a sort of habit or activity. It might not be necessarily a habit. A past activity which was practiced for some time and later discontinued. So it can be taken as a habit. In my school days, we played every evening. And you can say, we used to play. We used to play. Like that also, you can express that point. They saved every rupee to build their house. They saved every rupee to build their house. Here, no reference of past time. But this sort of activities can be understood from the context. Let us suppose someone might have completed their building, house construction. So then, in that context only, we can say like this. This sort of actions should be understood only in the context. So they saved every rupee to build their house. Saved, like this. When he was in teens, so past, referring to past. He always drove his bike fast. Usually youth drive their bikes fast. So when he was in teens, referring to past, and always is the word referring to a habit. So drove is the verb. In her childhood, she attended karate classes. So she attended in her childhood, referring to past time and past habit. She attended karate classes. So she practiced karate. Attended karate. You can say she practiced karate. You can say like that. She used to practice karate, or she attended karate classes. Abdul Kalam sold newspapers in his childhood. So sold, childhood, referring to past time, and sold is the verb here. Of course, it was a thing practiced for some time in his life. It might not be a habit, but an activity done sometime in his earlier life. So, like this, you have to use the verb. So, whenever you want to express a past habit, you go to this simple past and use it. And you can use this expression, use it to do, like that. And for the examination purpose also, same. In my school days, so referring to past time, and you can take it a past habit. We played every evening. The blank is here. The verb to be given, play. So read this first. In my school days, we dash every evening. In my school days, referring to past and past habit, every evening, past habit. So you must fill the blank like this. Played. We played every evening. Is also same, of course, referring no reference of past time. So this sort of sentences may not be given in the examination. Don't worry about that. When he was in teens, he always drove his bike fast. So verb to be given, drive. When he was in teens, so it's referring to past time. Always habit. So drive becomes drove. You have to fill like that. In her childhood, she attended karate classes. Attend is the verb. In her childhood. So referring to past habit, childhood. Attend becomes attended in the examination. Abdul Kalam sold newspapers in his childhood. So childhood also referring to past time, past habit, and sell should be the verb, and it becomes sold like this. So you have to remember the keywords. That is every evening, in my school days, something. Here, when he was in teens, in her childhood, so like that. So you will be given some time referring to past time and past habit. So you can fill this sentence in this manner in the examination if it is asked. Of course, it may not be a frequent question in the examination. Don't worry about that. I have explained the use of the simple past, and we will see the past continuous in the next video.